Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reverse a charge or request a refund in Cash App. Whether you spend money to the wrong person, got charged unexpectedly, or need a dispute a payment. Cash App doesn't guarantee a refund, but there are several ways you can try to get your money back. And we will guide you through each of them. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App on your device. Now tap on the Activity tab in the bottom right corner. This section shows all the recent transaction. Scroll and select the payment you want to reverse. Tap on it, opens the transaction details. In the transaction is eligible, you will see the refund button. Tap that the send a refund request directly to the recipient. If the refund button isn't available or the payment was completed, tap the three dot icon in the upper right corner. Now select Need Help and Cash App Support. Use the search bar and type dispute or charge reversal. Match Tap on the topic that match your issue and follow the step provided. If necessary, tap Contact Support to explain your issues. Open a chat or email from clearly explain your situation. For example, that the charge was unauthorized or sent by mistake. Attach a screenshot if needed. If the charge was made using your cash card and it was unauthorized, Cash App may escalate it to their card provider or an official dispute process. Keep in mind, if the refund is approved by the other party, it may be instant. If you filed a formal dispute, it may take up to 10 business days to investigate. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.